Yo, mulibwanji bamzanga. Inendele bwino. If you are here for the first time, Zina langa di TT, Ndimankala Guno ku USA, Goma, Dimachagera ku Botswana. Today I'm reacting to two of my favorite countries' songs. Okay, so I'm reacting to Freyo. This is the first time I'm seeing this artist, if I'm gonna be honest. But he's featured Freyo, Zambia featuring Driemo, and I think Driemo is Malawian. Zambia, Malawi. Hey, Zambia, Malawi, Kuchalo, okay? Pafupi in a short time, in a short while. Pafupi, that's what I think it is. Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, let's get to the song without wasting any time. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Hey.
Tima wanga umasende sende sendelela Wanyikata kumutima honey I never ever want to see you crying Mpaka kumanda nizakala nawe Forever, forever Wela Pafupi Libalile mwana nzapeleke tina Iwe fulu bageji Nimagonda iwe
Buela Pafupi, I think it's come closer. Okay.
Kuliben sowina Fulu bandedi Wedineda kwilana kulipe breaka You are the woman that I want in my life You are the woman that I wanna spend my life with Buela Pafupi Buela Pafupi Buela Pafupi
In a private jet bar.
Buela Pafupi Tima wanga umasende sende sendelela Namwali ukatele tele tele Tima wanga umasende sende sendelela I don't wanna see your tears, oh baby Wela Pafupi, baby give me some loving, baby Come on, touch your waist, oh baby Iwe na ni, 2 by 2 Kulibe break up, darling wanga I love you, I need you Tinga kusia, darling wanga Tima wanga umasende, sende, sendelela
Yo, Driemo is becoming a big man. He goes to the gym and stuff. Yo, the guy is ripped.
Forever, forever Wela Pafupi Libalile mwana nzapeleke tina Iwe fulu bageji Nimagona iwe kuliben sowina Fulu bandedi Wendinega kwirana kulipe breaka baby Mutima sumankala ukaventela Nzakusunga munsheverache You be the only one I want, baby Ine natulo sinema kona body way Nisa adipala kare Ndawa kulibe wina Mutima unasanka kare So let me put a ring on your finger.
I forgot what that means.
When I need 2 by 2 they break up I love you, I need you
Yo, beautiful stuff. I feel like Driemo, if an artist is gonna feature Driemo, you have to kind of match the level. Okay, so Freyo, big up, man. I felt like, I don't know why I didn't know you. Is it like a new artist? The
new
generation of music, man.
I never ever want to see you crying. Baka kumanda tizankara nawe. Forever, forever, yeah. Wela Pafupi, libalile mwana nzapeleke tina. Iwe fulu bageji, nimagonda iwe kulibe sowina. Fulu bandedi, wendineda kwirana kulibe breaka. Man that I want in my life. You are the woman
Big up to the videographer. Let me see who did this. Big up, man, because this video was not shot.
Weight loss starts
Those
with
artists were not in the same place, okay? So that was good because you couldn't tell that the artists were not in the same place. Ft.Driemo was not in Zambia, or Freyo was not in Malawi. I think I figured it out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this, man. You guys, Zambia, Malawi. I want to see more of those collaborations. Let me know in the comment section if there are any other collaborations that I might have skipped from Malawi and Zambia, because I feel like that way I can hit two birds with one stone. Two countries with one reaction. Also would like to see like Zambia, Malawi, Namibia collaborate. I know Onesmas have done that so far. Have collaborated with the artists from South Africa, Lesotho. I don't think he has collaborated with anybody from Botswana or Namibia yet, but who knows? He has collaborated with Your Maps, big artists, recognize big artists. Okay, so anyway, thank you so much for watching this, man. I'll see you guys on the other side.